Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Chevy Trax LTZ. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 1.4 turbo inline 4. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black and gray leather interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. We've got our Trax LTZ badging. A set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming up front. Got power windows, Bose sound system, power seats. Got our steering wheel controls. Go to start it up. A backup camera. Touchscreen media display. Climate control. Automatic transmission. This Chevy has 69,905 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Chevy, check out feldmanimports.com.